unleashing power, African pride.
In a world rapidly being reshaped by technology, a seismic disruption is unfolding across the African continent. Artificial intelligence, lauded for its efficiency and innovation, casts a long shadow over industries and livelihoods. Agriculture, energy, mining, telecommunications, finance, banking. These industries represent the backbone of African economies and are among the largest employers on the continent. However, none can remain untouched by the rapid reshaping brought about by artificial intelligence. As the AI revolution continues to gain momentum, its effects will ripple through the entire job market, with Africa feeling the impact more acutely than most other regions. In a region plagued by limited opportunity and access to quality education, the rise of AI doesn't just threaten jobs. It threatens to pull the rug out from under entire economies and generations of Africans. Our documentary, Artificial Consequences, provides a startling glimpse into the unseen human toll of technological progress.